Class number 6, The History of AI. How algorithms have evolved from doing simple math to an astonishing human language. Hello and welcome to this video about the history of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we will explore the origins of AI, its evolution over time, and some of the most significant milestones that have shaped the field. Additionally, we will discuss the implications and future of AI. The idea of creating intelligent machines dates back to ancient times, with mythological tales of robots and artificial creatures. However, the modern concept of AI began to take shape in the mid-20th century. In 1950, computer scientist Alan Turing published his groundbreaking paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence, which laid the groundwork for developing machines that could think and reason like humans. A few years later, in 1956, the Dartmouth Conference brought together leading experts in mathematics, cognitive psychology, and computer science to explore the possibilities of AI research. This conference marked the official beginning of AI as a scientific field of study. In the early years of AI research, progress was slow due to the limitations of available technology. However, as computers became faster and more powerful, AI research began to gain momentum. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI researchers focused on developing expert systems that could simulate human expertise in specific domains. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI research expanded to include natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Over the years, there have been several key milestones in the field of AI. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue computer defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov in a highly publicized match, demonstrating the potential for machines to surpass human intelligence in specific domains. In 2011, IBM's Watson computer defeated human champions on the game show Jeopardy, demonstrating progress in natural language processing. In 2016, AlphaGo, an AI program developed by Google DeepMind, defeated world champion Lee Sedol in the complex game of Go, marking a significant breakthrough in AI. This last achievement is detailed in the documentary movie AlphaGo, available on YouTube. In 2022, OpenAI's release of ChatGPT as another milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. The large language model demonstrated the ability of AI to generate human-like responses and hold conversations with users. It showcased the growing capabilities and potential of AI, raising important ethical considerations and challenges for society to address. As AI technology continues to advance, there are many questions about its potential impact on society. Some worry that AI could lead to widespread job loss and economic inequality. Others fear that AI could be used for malicious purposes, such as cyber attacks or the creation of autonomous weapons. However, there are also many potential benefits of AI, such as improved healthcare, more efficient transportation, and new opportunities for scientific discovery. It is up to us as a society to ensure that the development and use of AI are guided by ethical considerations and responsible practices. Now, for an exercise to test your knowledge on the history of AI. Let's see if you can answer the following question. Who is credited with publishing the groundbreaking paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence that laid the groundwork for AI research? Write the answer in the comments, and if you don't remember, go back to the beginning of the video to check. Okay, I won't let you without the answer. The answer is Alan Turing. Thank you for watching this video on the history of AI. We hope that you have gained some understanding of the origins, evolution, and milestones of AI, as well as its potential implications and future. Remember to keep learning and exploring the world of AI by following the GP Teacher channel. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.